Mr. Coltrane, introduce yourself, sir.
Yeah, I'm Ryan, Local Mills, Coltrane Energy. We're based out of Missouri. It's a new energy drink we're just bringing to the market. We've partnered up with PPL. We've been traveling all around with them. It's been a great experience.
All right, well, glad to have you. Now, you guys are located out in the main concourse of the fair, correct?
Yeah, that's right. We're just here to the right side of the fair down over there.
And of course, we brought some
promotion deal just to try to help get the word out there about the new drink. You know, if you guys are interested, want to try one, come check us out. We got a training set up over there, and try to go up.
All right, good deal. Tractors over on the grandstand side. Lessons learned. Neil Gettinger. Now he is our test puller over on the Unlimited Super Stock track, of course, out of Hagerstown, Indiana. And of course, how many times have you fans here in Goshen seen the Gettinger family pull their tractors here? They couldn't have Neil out here. That's our 244 and 61 for Neil Gettinger.
And this phone that I got, given to me, just got a phone call coming to them on the Hootie Turn.
John Deere taking care of business on the start line. Doing some driving out there, got it off to the left side of the track, brought it back around. Will set the marquee here as our second hook in the class. 77.94.
That's good enough for number 6. Fifth, I'm sorry. First place. Todd Stewart. Second one, Randy Guido. Third, Patrick Schultz. Fourth, Paul Schultz. Notable fourth. And fifth, Darren Chapman. So that's our numbers.
Now, you saw the video from up in Nashville, Wisconsin. He blew the other hood to smithereens. Got a new one up on here. He's looking for the win here this afternoon. Jeff Hurt and the Running Bear. last year. Back up top side, see what we can do here. Needs to go better than 295.09. Here we go. Now, you longtime fans may remember back in the day with Lyle Hall with his Minneapolis Moline, when they started with this mini G1000 tractor. Craig Peterson was a teammate with Lyle Hall for many years as they tried to figure out that alcohol-fueled tractors. Remember, the diesels dominated for so many years, and then he's been down that track twice already. What it's going to take to get down there in the winner's circle. Let's see if he can mark it there. Craig Peterson at Minneapolis Moline.
We were talking about Aaron Hall in that mini mow. I can remember that when we walked that right in the line.
Slide over just a little bit here. Now he's going to start off, fans, over on the right-hand side of the track. So it's going to be our test puller, Bobby Jones. Now he is called the test puller simply because we haven't seen anybody else on time here tonight. All right, where's our Picks International fans? You guys ready to go? Let's cheer them on. Bobby Jones. But it's a tough one here. Out of the state of Kentucky, here comes the Blue Blazes. Now we said fans having an up and down season now. Didn't make it past that 100-foot mark. Now we got that 100-foot mark down there. Each and every competitor has 2 attempts. That's a nice round of applause here. Thanks to the Coach Boys. right, fans, this is Dave Estep, Franklin, Indiana, just south of Indianapolis here. And having a little bit of trouble here. Just a little bit towards the center part of the track. He's trying to